Welcome back, cocktail enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting journey ahead as we explore the captivating history and unknown facts behind one of the classic cocktails, the Americano. So grab a seat, prepare your taste buds, and let's dive into the fascinating world of mixology. Good day, everyone. We find ourselves in this elegant cocktail lounge, where mixologists craft timeless drinks with precision. Today, our focus is on the Americano, a cocktail with a rich heritage and a delightful flavor profile. The Americano is a classic Italian cocktail that has its roots dating back to the 19th century. It's a refreshing blend of Campari, sweet vermouth, and a splash of soda water, creating a drink that embodies both sophistication and simplicity. Did you know that the Americano was not originally named after its connection to the United States? It earned its name due to its popularity among American tourists visiting Italy during the late 1800s. Fascinating, isn't it? To truly understand the Americano, we must journey into its origins. The drink gained fame in cafes across Italy, where it became a staple in the social scene. Its accessible ingredients and vibrant taste appealed to both locals and travelers alike. The Americano holds a special place in Italian coffee culture. It's often enjoyed as an aperitif before meals or as a refreshing drink during hot summer days. The harmonious blend of bitter Campari, sweet vermouth, and effervescence from soda water creates a well-balanced and invigorating experience. Now, let's dive into the lesser-known facts about the Americano. Brace yourself for some surprising discoveries. Fact number 1, the Americano served as the inspiration for the famous Negroni cocktail. Legend has it that a count named Camillo Negroni requested his bartender to strengthen the Americano by substituting soda water with gin, leading to the creation of the beloved Negroni. Fact number 2, despite its simplicity, the Americano is incredibly versatile. Mixologists often experiment by adding unique twists to the recipe, such as infusing different botanicals into the vermouth or incorporating fresh citrus for a tangy kick. These variations allow for endless creativity and personalized flavors. Fact number 3, the Americano has made appearances in popular culture, especially in literature and film. It has been mentioned in classic novels and even featured in the iconic James Bond movie, Casino Royale. Its enduring presence in various artistic mediums further solidifies its place in cocktail history. There you have it, friends. The Americano, a timeless cocktail that continues to charm drinkers around the world with its elegant simplicity. Raise a glass, celebrate the heritage, and savor this delightful libation. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the world of the Americano. Remember to appreciate the blend of bitter and sweet flavors and enjoy the drink with good company. Cheers! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest mixology adventures. Until next time, cheers to the classics!